The theme of the 2019 annual meeting for the AANS is the science of practice, a term coined to emphasize how the medical profession can advance knowledge through thoughtful analyses of clinical observations and experiences. By harnessing data and information from real-world human struggles with injury, illness, and disease, the science of practice can help practitioners and patients make the best possible decisions about healthcare, especially in areas where robust scientific data are lacking. Furthermore, the meticulous observation of what we do every day in every hospital, office, and clinic, and on every roadside, sideline, or sickbed around the world can help our research hypotheses for other forms of scientific pursuit be stronger and better informed. Given today's technological and computing capabilities, our field is more poised than ever to learn important lessons from our extensive clinical experiences. There is no substitute for face-to-face interactions with colleagues in an open forum of knowledge sharing and scientific debate. The additional chance for fellowship with colleagues and family outside of the meeting room is invaluable for providing a sense of community on a larger scale. Also, the opportunity to interface with our industry partners in person in our exhibit hall and associated facilities is unparalleled in terms of access to new technology, biomedical experts, education providers, publishing executives, recruiters, healthcare systems representatives, and more. To have a voice with industry developers regarding the existing and future technologies and tools that we need to carry out our trade is really critical to the future of neurosurgery. We also certainly hope that everyone enjoys hearing from our outstanding guest speakers and gets a chance to see the sights in San Diego. San Diego has so much to offer as both a tourist and convention destination. The consistently beautiful weather, sophisticated culinary scene, and the historic and entertainment sites that abound in San Diego will provide a number of potential activities for attendees. Our opening reception will be held on the historic USS Midway, now an aircraft and World War II museum. We will have a live band on the deck of the aircraft carrier, which also houses a number of historic aircraft that attendees can board. Below decks, flight simulators, historical films, and numerous museum installations demonstrating life on the aircraft carrier will be available to all. The evening will culminate in a fireworks display over the water, celebrating the kickoff of our meeting. San Diego's accessibility for our international society partners and the proximity of the hotel to the convention center make this a great meeting venue for us to promote collegial interactions and share scientific discoveries with neurosurgeons from around the globe. I think that listeners will be both informed and inspired by this year's guest lecturers. Harvey Cushing himself once famously stated, "A physician is obligated to consider more than a diseased organ, more even than the whole man. He must view the man in his world." Understanding how our patients' medical problems impact their lives and how their lives impact their medical problems is a critical aspect of the practice of medicine. Attendees will hear from professionals from a variety of fields about cultural intelligence, anthropology skills, principles of scientific observation and analysis, techniques of artificial intelligence, and a more refined understanding of the socioeconomics of medical and surgical care delivery, and the impact of these subjects on our ability to care for those afflicted with neurosurgical problems. We hope our audience will appreciate the emphasis on the concept of meeting our patients where they live.